the mysterious man, the savior, aka the person who stopped the genocide. He started the genocide and he stopped the genocide. Paul Kagame is dead. Paul Kagame is no longer there. So here's what they say. I'm gonna read for you. Rwandan President Paul Kagame is no more. The Rwandan government does not want people to know. They don't want to talking about it yet, but some people have confirmed this information. Do you understand? People, they don't want to jeopardizing the region of Great Lake because that region has been devastated with war. And the causes of war, 99% is Paul Kagame, right? Since the beginning of the genocide in 1994. So this guy, his name is Father Thomas Nahimana. I'm sure he's from Rwanda. I don't know where from, which side of Rwanda, but if you know him, please drop the comment below. So Father Nahimana, he's telling us this. It's in French, but I can translate for you.
Le siège présidentiel est vacant, personne ne veut en parler. Et je vais vous dire pourquoi.
Ça, je peux faire rapidement une parenthèse. Tout le monde sait.
The presidential siege is vacant and nobody wants to talk about it. The presidential siege is vacant. So there is no president actually right now in Rwanda. And this is what he's been talking about. And people are keep on shushing him down. People don't want to listen to him, but that's what he's talking about. We're gonna get there.
On sait qu'il est malade et qu'il est allé se soigner à l'étranger. Donc ça, ce n'est un secret de polichinelle.
C'est pas sûr. Je ne sais pas comment vous l'avez su, mais le gouvernement rwandais, ou ce qui reste du gouvernement rwandais, veut faire croire à tout le monde qu'il n'y a aucun.
Okay, so the journalist is telling him, like, stop, please stop, don't do that, because we know he was sick and he went to be treated abroad. So Paul Kagame, if you don't know, Paul Kagame was he's sick of the brain tumor, so he's technically in a chemotherapy. And so since then, it's been some almost pretty week, like 2 weeks. He hasn't been made any sign, any public statements. And then there were some events that he was supposed to attend, but he was unable to attend those events because the guy is not available. The guy is no longer there, right? And what's frustrating people is the Rwandan government doesn't want to talking about this. That's why this guy is there and telling to confirm people the guy is no longer there. You're not gonna see him anymore. He's gone.
Aucun problème. Moi, je vais vous raconter pourquoi je vous dis actuellement que le président Kagame n'est plus.
N'est plus.
N'est plus.
Vous affirmez.
N'est plus. He's no longer there. N'est plus. He's no longer there. Vous affirme. Do you affirm that he's no longer there?
J'affirme et je réaffirme qu'il n'est plus.
I affirm and I reaffirm that he's no longer there.
Il n'a qu'à ressusciter pour venir nous contredire ici, ce qu'on avait demandé d'ailleurs.
Monsieur l'abbé, avant que vous n'entrez.
And if he's there, then let him resurrect and he can come to tell us, like, where was he? So this guy, he's affirming and reaffirming that Kagame is no longer there, and they know he's a father, he's a priest, he's like a church leader, right? But let's go.
Dans les détails, vous êtes un homme de Dieu, vous le savez, et vous êtes l'un des principaux opposants et sans doute l'un des mieux placés pour l'avenir à occuper les fonctions suprêmes au Rwanda. Donc en avançant ces propos, vous jouez totalement votre crédibilité. Vous êtes au fait.
Je suis conscient de ça.
Et y compris peut-être des poursuites de la part.
So you are the biggest opposant, and then that's like technically, practically the place that you want to be as the president of Rwanda, and you assuming and you are assuring that Kagame is no longer there. And then he says, I am reaffirming this with all my consciousness. The guy is no longer there. But the Rwandan government is just keeping on making you wait and wait, Paul Kagame is no longer there. I don't know, guys. This is the first source of the information, and this is the biggest opposant, an opposition leader, and they know so many things, right? And I will prove you why he's no longer there, because they already choose somebody else to be an interim president of Rwanda. That means like they as they I mean they put somebody else to become a president while Kagame is not there. That means they will go through transitions, and then sooner or after they were just gonna come and started to, I mean, these politicians, they are looking for a way to come and manipulate this narrative and tell people the wrong stuff, right? It's always like that.
Des autorités rwandaises.
Je suis tout à fait prêt.
Je rappelle que nous avons essayé d'entrer en contact avec les autorités rwandaises, aussi bien à la présidence qu'à l'ambassade. Il nous a été tout simplement répondu que la personne que nous recevions sur le plateau avait le droit de dire ce qu'elle veut et ça n'engageait qu'elle. Donc, je signale toujours que les autorités sont les bienvenues sur Vox Africa. Nous n'avons pas de parti, un camp comme dans l'autre. Nous, c'est tout simplement les faits.
That's it. President Kagame is no longer there, and this is Vox Africa. Vox Africa. So, as President Kagame is no longer there, and here is the meeting that Kagame is supposed to attend. First of all, so we're gonna find out President Kagame, Kagame. So since they when like since the 4th of June, Kagame hasn't made any public announcements. Okay, there we go. So since 6th June, if you can see over here, 6th of June, this was the last Kagame public post. And as we all know, President Kagame is one of the most active presidents on social media. I'll let you look. He's Kagame's African president. Rwanda has like 12 millions of population, and Kagame has 1.5 million followers on his Instagram, and plus his TikTok and Facebook. He's all over. He got even a YouTube channel and stuff like that. And that was the last post of Kagame. That was the 6th of June. Today is I'm recording this is on the 17th of June. It's been almost 12 days. Kagame, he's not available, and people they don't want to tell the truth because they refuse. They tell Rwandan media, because I mean you guys know like Rwandan media is very censored. Like you can't speak anything that you want to speak, and if you're speaking about something, then you're gonna man, maybe you are going to die, right? So like you don't know what's gonna happen to you. And this guy is Edward Ngerite, something like that. Ngerita, something like that. There is it. So, and they keep on saying, Paul Kagame toujours absent. Paul Kagame is not there yet. Is still absent, right? À l'absence du président Paul Kagame, Rwanda s'est fait représenter par son premier ministre de la cérémonie de la clôture au Collège des officiers de défense. So Paul Kagame is supposed to be there to the College of Officers of Defense, but Paul Kagame has not been present. It's been almost 2 weeks now. Kagame is not there. As you guys saw, like the last post he made on his social media, that was the 6th of June. Today, as I'm recording, this is 17th of June. It's almost 13 days, 12 days. Kagame is not available. And the guy who's going to replace him, his name is Edward. Edwards. Sound like I'm gay. Oh, what's up, Edward? There we go. His name is Edward Ngirete. Edouard Ngirente. Edouard Ngirente, born 22 February 1973, is a Rwandan economist and a politician. He serves as the Prime Minister of Rwanda since 30 August 2017, having been appointed by the President of Rwanda, Paul Kagame. So you can tell Edouard Ngirente, he's a pretty close friend of Paul Kagame. And apparently in the Rwanda constitution, when Kagame is not there, so he's the one who's going to assume the office, the presidential office. Edouard Ngirente went to Belgium. He studied at Lovenium, Université Catholique de Louvain, University of Leuven. This is in Belgium. National University of Rwanda. This is in Rwanda. And he became the prime minister of August 2017, preceded by Anastase Murekezi. So, guys, as you all guys seen, he was supposed to be Kagame is supposed to be here in the meeting, but he's not there. So you're gonna see Edouard Ngirente here coming out, pulling out, and they haven't told us. So Kagame is dead, guys. It's not really yet confirmed, but he went to Germany for treatment, and we haven't heard from them. So, and you could see the pastor who was talking before there. He said that Kagame is no longer there. This is Edward Ngirente, right? As you can see, he's assuming at the place of Kagame. This was supposed to be Kagame there, but Kagame is not there, and then it's been almost 2 weeks. So if you got some more news, please drop the comment below. Let me know, what do you think? Kagame is dead. Some people are celebrating. Some people are celebrating. This guy here. So they had to ask him a question. Listen to this.
We woke up on the saddest news ever, that our beloved Kagame has died in Germany. How do you feel?
He can go to hell, and we are going to party and celebrate tonight.
We woke up on the saddest news ever, that our beloved Kagame has died in Germany. How do you feel?
He can go to hell, and we are going to party and celebrate tonight.
Guys, Kagame is dead. Like, Kagame is dead. So people gonna celebrate. I know a lot of people there in Congo, they will celebrate so much. I think that's in Uganda. That's not in Congo. They don't speak English in Congo, right? So you can just tell, like, a lot of people don't like that guy, and so many people love him. So it's vice versa. But as for now, we know the guy went to Germany, and he hasn't. We have not heard from him. So a lot of people are assuming that he's dead. But yeah, it stays like that. So let me know in the comments if you have a great source of information. Drop it in the comment. Guys, don't forget to hit the button, subscribe, activate that bell notification, please, and give this video a like. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Ciao.